Welcome to English listening practice. Relax and sit comfortably. Do not pause the video. Do not repeat anything. You do not need grammar. You do not need rules. You only need listening. If you understand English, you will speak English automatically. This video will improve your daily English, office English, and American English. I wake up early in the morning. I check my phone. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I make some tea. I drink it slowly. I think about my work. I think about my goals. This is my daily life. This is simple English. In America, people speak simply. They do not think about grammar. They speak naturally. They make mistakes, but they keep speaking. English is not a subject. English is a tool. Just speak and understand. Listening is more important than rules. I arrive at the office at 9 a.m. I greet my colleagues. Good morning. I check my emails. I reply to important messages. I attend meetings. I take notes carefully. I ask questions if I do not understand. I speak politely and clearly. I share my ideas confidently. I listen to others. I learn from my mistakes. I practice English every day. This improves my office English. Hello, this is John speaking. May I know who is calling? Please hold for a moment. I will transfer your call. He is not available right now. Can I take a message? Thank you for calling. Have a nice day. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. What are you doing now? I am working on a project. I will call you later. Please take care. Do not feel nervous. Do not feel shy. Everyone learns slowly. Everyone makes mistakes. Confidence comes from listening. Confidence comes from time. You are learning. You are improving. You can speak English. Repeat after me. I am confident. I can speak English well. Do not translate in your head. Do not think in your language. Just listen. Just understand. English will come naturally, like a child learns a language. Think in English. Say short sentences in your mind. This is how Americans speak. Good morning. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. What are your plans today? I will go to work. I will meet my friends. I will study English. I will practice listening. I am excited for today. I will do my best. Good evening. How was your day? I worked a lot today. I learned new things. I spoke English many times. I am tired but happy. I will relax now. I will listen to music. I will drink tea. I will go to bed soon. What is your name? My name is John. Where do you live? I live in New York. How old are you? I am 25 years old. What do you do? I am a student. I like learning English. Do you like music? Yes, I like music. I want to buy some fruits. How much is this apple? It costs $2. I will take 3 apples. Thank you for your help. I need a bag. Where is the cashier? I will pay by card. Do you have a discount? Yes, we have a sale today. Hello, I have a reservation. Table for 1, please. Can I see the menu? I would like a coffee. I would like a sandwich. How much is the bill? Thank you for the service. Have a nice day. I will come again. The food is delicious. Where is the bus station? How much is a ticket? I want to go to the airport. Please help me. I am lost. Can you show me the way? Thank you very much. Is it far from here? I will walk carefully. I hope I reach on time. Hey, what's up? How are you doing? I am good. Not bad. Pretty busy today. Let's catch up later. Sounds good. Take care. See you soon. Talk to you tomorrow. That makes sense. I agree with you. I don't think so. No problem at all. That's interesting. Really? Tell me more. I like it. I don't like it. It is okay. Everything is fine. Do not say, I am agree. Say, I agree. Do not say, he did mistake. Say, he made a mistake. Do not say, I have 25 years. Say, I am 25 years old. Small corrections bring big improvements. Practice makes perfect. I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I study English. I practice listening. I meet my friends. I take a walk. I drink water. I feel healthy. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I study English. I practice listening. I meet my friends. I take a walk. I drink water. I feel healthy. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Once upon a time, there was a boy. He wanted to learn English. He listened every day. He practiced speaking. He made mistakes. He never gave up. He became confident. He spoke English well. Everyone admired him. You can do the same. You are doing great. Keep listening every day. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 50 minutes. Your brain is changing. Your confidence is growing. Do not give up. Practice is the key. You will succeed. You listened for a long time. That is amazing. Do not stop now. Come back tomorrow. Listening is the key. English is becoming easy. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. Goodbye.